real good feeling. Right now, 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 right now. Oh, I got a real good feeling. Got a real good feeling. Like there is lightning deep in my bones. Yeah, I got a real good feeling. I got a real good feeling.
My name is Seung-Cheol Kim, President of Mobile Display Business at Samsung Display. It is my great pleasure to receive the Carl Ferdinand Braun Prize. If I was able to contribute to the development and the growth of the display industry, it is a great honor for me. Also, I would like to thank Honor and Awards Committee of SID, my family, and all the people who are helping me and the Samsung Display. If it hasn't been for them, I would be standing here today. This award encourages me to continue with the development of the display industry. I will do my best to invest in R&D and to nurture talented engineers. As an engineer with a background in physics, I always emphasize the importance of fundamental science and technological innovations. Based on these priorities, over 30 years of work in OLED technology has led me to become an expert in the field. I believe this award is the recognition of my career. I remember 14 years ago when the first OLED product was introduced to the world by Samsung Display. Since then, our OLED technology has developed remarkably and expanded from mobile or wearable to foldable products. We are proud to hold the global #1 ranking in the small and medium-sized OLED market, with more than 80% of market share. I am very proud to be part of the journey, and the memory of hard work with my colleagues cannot be exchanged for anything. The advancement of display technology has made our lives more convenient and pleasant. Ultra-high resolution and large-size display allow for more vivid and deeper experiences. With the fourth industrial revolution around us, the role of the display will expand beyond the real world to the metaverse. Until now, display used to be flat and square, allowing only limited visual experiences. However, in the future, display with diverse form factors such as foldable, rollable, and stretchable will allow for rich and realistic experiences, and even extremely dreamlike ones through AR and VR. Please visit our virtual exhibition of Samsung Display. You can enjoy various OLED displays and technologies. The experience of overcoming many obstacles allowed me and Samsung Display to become stronger, and we have motivated each other for further innovation and credibility. With the shifts in technology and the growing competition, we are facing new challenges. However, Samsung Display and I will continue to prepare for the future. We will find opportunities with innovative answers, contributing to the development of future displays, and making our lives happier and richer. Thank you again, SID, for this honorable award. I appreciate the positive influence and the contribution of SID on the display industry. Samsung Display will also actively participate in the work of SID, and we look forward to cooperating in the future. Thank you.